Okay, look at this Land Rover Defender 90. Love this car. Land Rover do a so good job on all the cars on there. And quickly open it. The color is nice and sharp. Okay, so again, Hot Wheel stickers. That's another massive wheel. Let's see if they're bigger than the Range Rover. No, it's bigger and wide. No, a little bit wider. Got some pattern on it as well. Let's see. Yeah, they both got pattern, but the wheel is much bigger. Yeah, I quite like this one actually. Solid metal. Obviously you're not going to get a lot of detail for 1/264. Okay, let's look at the video. 1, take 2, take 3. I don't believe it. This is heavy car. I mean, that means Virgo.